Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you connect a PS4 with a broken HDMI port to a TV? So first, can you play a PS4 without using an HDMI screen? Yes, you can use an HDMI to DVI adapter or an HDMI to VGA adapter. These are directional, so make sure you get HDMI greater than DVI or HDMI greater than VGA, and connect it to any computer monitor or display with a computer video input. Can I connect my PS4 to my TV wirelessly? If you are connecting the systems directly using Wi-Fi, select Settings, greater than Remote Play Connection Settings from the PS4 Trademark Systems function screen, and then select the Connect Directly with PS Vita, PS TV checkbox to set a checkmark. Can I still use my PS4 if the HDMI port is broken? Can you use the PS4 without HDMI? It is not possible to use your PS4 without HDMI because the console does not have any other video outputs. It also does not have driver support for USB to HDMI adapters, so outputting video through one of the USB ports is not an option either. What do you do if your PS4 HDMI is broken? The only good and permanent fix for a bad HDMI port is to replace the entire port. Some of them just have pins that have been pushed back so they no longer make contact with the pins on the cable. Even though many times you can push these pins back, there is no good way to keep them there.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.